How's it going, guys? How you doing? Alright, just do a quick little video and everything right now. I got some stuff in, as you can tell, from Amazon. I did get some stuff in the other day. I didn't do a video on it. I am going to show it. Since I'm doing more with the pocket hole machine and everything, I only had the 1.5-inch screws. Well, I did some experimenting and everything. Come to find out the 1.5-inch screws were a little bit too long for some of the stuff I was doing. So, went online. I've got these same brand, Line Max. These are the 1-inch, and these are Line Max 1 1/4. And these by far seems to be the best deal. 600 screws. Comes with the driver bit and everything, each one, so it gives me 2 more, which is not a bad deal. I can always use those. So right now, I'm building me a new computer desk, and yes, I'm doing it all out of pocket hole screws, scrap wood. So got my top here, it's at 22.5 inches. So where I got my legs already cut, right here, this is 30 inches by 5 3/4, and these are my 9-inch pieces, which I will be putting together, attaching to these to make my legs. But I just had Amazon deliver some more stuff, and I want to show you what I got. Oh, the other thing is I've got them here, but I got in a new pair of some more of those gloves, which are going to come in handy. So let's get this box opened up to show you what I ordered, because it's going to go with the table. So you can't, you gotta have, this is some stuff that, yeah, you need. And since I'm doing the pocket holes, I gotta have some clamps. And the nice thing about with these is they are reversible. You have 2 different types of pocket hole clamps. Okay, you got the face-to-face, which means you've got the 2 flat surfaces. Okay, and get this open. As you can tell, I just got it out of the package. They got this in there wrapped pretty good. And these are not, well, the way they feel, they do not feel like they're cheap made. I think I paid about 35 bucks for both sets, which is not bad compared to, I was showing Crystal some of the others that were like close to $100 each. Like, no. Okay, I got that. Got something loose. I don't know where that came from. Oh, now I do. Actually comes out of here. But what I was going to say is, the nice thing about with these is, okay, get them open. You've got the face right here where you can clamp 2 flat surfaces together. But if you're having it to where you're having at an angle where it's like a T or an L, the nice thing about with these, are reversible. So basically you're taking these little screws out, these little thumb wheels. Gonna drop it. And you sit there and reverse it. As soon as I can get it all done here. This is what sold me on these. Put the screws back in. Little thumb wheels, whatever you want to call them, back in. As you can tell, yes, I'm struggling to get them, but carpal tunnel doesn't help. Probably get them up like so. So now, if you're doing a T or an L, this will be on the bottom, and this actually goes in the slot and everything. You just did your pocket hole groove and everything in, sit there, clamp them together. And yes, these are adjustable, they're vice style. So I think we're going to have some fun with these. So like I said, I got 2 of them. That way, when I'm doing the clamping, or when I'm putting the boards and everything together, I keep them good and straight and flat. Now, the next thing, besides the trash, is that with the new desk, this is heavy here. Oh, that's a heavy box there. Is that I've always had my keyboard sitting there on top of the desk. I don't want that. I want a tray. The way I'm building it, everything, I'm going to have a tray and everything that'll slide out. So, in order to do that, you got to have slides. So that's what this is. I'm actually upgrading and everything, and this will be an L-shaped desk. So it'll be straight across. It will be it's going to be 36 inches wide. I'm having the side piece come out. That'll be probably where I keep the computer itself. But I picked up these right here, these drawer slides, and these are some ball bearings. Nice little drawer slides. I'll get them mounted. I'll get me a bracket and everything up underneath the top. That way, mount that, put my keyboard and everything on, be able to slide it out, and it'll even have a spot for the mouse also. So that's going to be able to clear up the top itself and everything. I don't remember how much these were. They weren't that expensive. I think this 6-pack, that gives me where, you know, I'm gonna have some drawers also on it. So y'all keep, you know, I'll keep y'all up to date on that as soon as I get it all built. But this is what I've got. This is what I'm building right now, and the table I've been using. It's going to go out in the other garage once I get this one all completed. So, anyways, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and please hit that bell notification. That way you know when I got another video out, or whenever I'm going live, which is every Monday and Wednesday, 6 o'clock Central. Until next time, y'all stay safe. God bless.